So after your maths class, now it's time to begin with our today's EVS class, isn't it? So class in EVS we were learning about water. How water is playing a very important role in our life. Why we need water. In almost in all the activities that we are doing in a day, we need water. Water is the basic necessity of our life, isn't it? Drinking, bathing, cleaning, and lot of other things we need. Only water is the basic thing that we need, isn't it? Then we have also learned how we can save water, which all activities can help us in saving water, and which are few activities, if we follow them, we are wasting water. So these are few things that we have understood till now. In the previous class we have also understood about sink and flow. मतलब what all things can sink in the water, जो पानी में डूब जाती हैं. And we have also learned about few things that keep floating on water, जो पानी में तैरती रहती हैं, isn't it? So you all enjoyed doing that experiment at home. I hope, because I have only got 1 or 2 videos of students who have done this activity, and their parents have also told that they have really enjoyed doing it. So what we are going to do today I have one more interesting way of learning this about water, and what we are going to learn about water today is we dissolve. The topic of our today's conversation, or you can say the topic of our today's discussion, is we dissolve. So first let us understand the meaning of this word dissolve. What is the meaning of dissolve? Okay, let me just give you few examples and you yourself will tell me what is the meaning of dissolve. Clear? Now, just think of an example where rain is coming. बारिश हो रही है. अब जब बारिश होती है, what happens? Outside everything get wet. सब गीला हो जाता है. Now, if there is some mud there, वहाँ पे कोई मिट्टी पड़ी है, मिट्टी का ढेर पड़ा है, a heap of sand or a heap of mud is there, what happens? जब उसके ऊपर पानी गिरता है, what happens? क्या वो पाउडर रहती है? No. क्या होता है? वाटर में मिक्स हो जाती है और वो एक स्लज जैसी बन जाती है, कीचड़ जैसी बन जाती है, isn't it? तो जो मिट्टी थी, जो पाउडर जो मिट्टी थी, जो उड़ सकती थी, वो वाटर में क्या हो गई? मिक्स हो गई. अब क्या आप उसको दोबारा से पाउडर बना सकते हो? वो बन तो जाएगा, लेकिन उसके लिए हमें धूप की जरूरत है. आप उसी टाइम उसको पाउडर बना सकते हो? नो, वी कैन नॉट. व्हाई? बिकॉज वो उसमें क्या हो गई? घुल गई, मिक्स हो गई, डिसॉल्व हो गई. सो नाउ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द मीनिंग ऑफ डिसॉल्व. डिसॉल्व मीन्स जब कोई चीज किसी में मिक्स हो जाती है and then we cannot separate. Another example, in the morning mama gives you milk. So when you take milk, she makes Bonvita, or you can say honey, different things, sugar. So whatever you like, mama mix those things in the milk. Once she mix everything, are you okay? Let's take an example of sugar. जब उसमें हमने sugar डाल दिया and we stirred it with a spoon, it get mixed. अब आप अगर उसको दूसरे कप में डालोगे, उस मिल्क को दूसरे कप में ट्रांसफर करेंगे, will you be able to see those sugar particles in it? Sugar particles दिखेंगे आपको? No. Why? Because जो sugar particles थे वो क्या हुआ? मिल्क में dissolve हो गए, घुल गए, mix हो गए वो मिल्क के साथ. Now you cannot separate them out. Clear? So this is the meaning of dissolve. Dissolve means जब कोई भी चीज वाटर में मिक्स हो जाती है, उसमें घुल जाती है, and we cannot separate it out, that things get dissolved. Clear? Now, what we have to do? We have few things with us, like we have salt, then we have sugar, we have stone, then we have flour. What is flour? Atta. Then we have soap, we have paper. So paper can be any paper, it can be a newspaper, tissue paper, any waste paper. Clear? What we are going to do, we are going to take few bowl of water. We can take separate bowl for all these things. We'll take these bowl of water and we'll see that after mixing one by one, we'll mix each and every object with water. We'll stir it and we'll see whether they are getting dissolved or not. Now, अगर वो पानी में घुल गया और वो अलग नहीं हो पाया, so that means that ingredient can dissolve in water. वो जो ingredient है वो water में dissolve हो सकता है. But in case if something be dissolved, if something be mixed in water और उसके बाद हम उसको separate कर पा रहे हैं, that means those things cannot dissolve in water. Clear? So again I am going to show you this with the help of an experiment, and after this experiment what we are going to do? We are going to do work on book page number 95. So first let's see how we are going to do the experiment, and then we'll do our work on book page number 95. Clear? So first you'll see how we do the work, how we mix different things, and then we'll do the work. Clear? So class, now can you see I have kept 6 bowls of water here. So you can see these bowls of water I have. Now what we are going to do with these, I have taken 1 spoon, and I've also taken some things that we are going to see whether they can dissolve in water or not. So as I have told you in the beginning, what is the meaning of dissolve? Dissolve मतलब जो पानी में पूरी तरह घुल जाता है, and we cannot see that particles in the water. So for that I have stones, then I have some paper. This is black salt. Why I have taken black salt? Because white salt when I'll put in water you won't able to see. Black salt अब आपको ये दिख रहा है color. Now when I'll put in water we'll see whether it get dissolved or not. Then I have taken flour, atta, and I have also taken color, and this is mud, mitti. So now we are going to check all these things one by one. I'll put them in these bowls of water and we'll see whether they will dissolve or not. Clear? So first what I'm doing, I'm taking this salt. So can you see the salt? What I'll do, I'll take this bowl of water and I'll put this, I'm taking a spoonful of salt and I'm putting it in the water now. Now what I'll do, I'll mix it like this. See? Can you see the particles? Now slowly and steadily कितना सारा सॉल्ट हमने डाला था वो सब क्या हुआ, वाटर में डिसॉल्व हो गया. सो कैन यू सी दैट? सो व्हाट वी कैन से, यस इट डिसॉल्व्स इन वाटर. तो सॉल्ट क्या हुआ, सॉल्ट वाटर में डिसॉल्व हो गया. क्लियर? सो सॉल्ट इज द वन दैट डिसॉल्व्स इन वाटर. सो आई एम पुटिंग इट ऑन दिस साइड. नाउ I am taking the next bowl of water, and what I am putting in it is these 2 stones. Clear? So one by one I am putting these stones in water. Now can you see? I am stirring it again, जैसे हमने salt को stir किया था. But these stones are not dissolving. देखो कुछ भी dissolve नहीं हुआ. Stones as it is है. I am able to take them out. Isn't it? That means stones don't dissolve in water, and I am putting it this side now. Now what we take next is, now I am taking another bowl of water, and for this I am going to take this mud, mitti. So you can take it from anywhere. Again I am just taking a spoonful of mud and I am putting it in this water. Now see, the a very easy example or a very understandable example here I would like to give. जब बारिश होती है, when it rain outside, all the mud that dissolves in water or not, वो ऐसे ही हो जाता है ना, water वहाँ पे सारा muddy सा. So that means जो mud है, जो sand है, that also dissolves in water. Again I am putting it on this side. Clear? So see, पूरा dissolve हो गया ये, isn't it? We cannot see the particles now. Now what I am taking is the next. Yes, another bowl of water, and what I'm doing, I'm taking this color and I'm putting it in this water now. See, I'm just putting a drop of color in the water. आप देख रहे हो स्टेयर भी नहीं करना पड़ा मैम को. सी, हल्का सा स्टेयर किया और पूरा कलर डिजॉल्व हो गया. अब हमें दिख रहा है कहीं वो कलर. मैम इसमें से ऐसे स्टेयर करके निकाल रही हैं, लेकिन निकल पा रहा है? नो. सो अगेन द कलर गेट्स डिजॉल्व इन वाटर. क्लियर? नाउ आई एम टेकिंग दिस नेक्स्ट bowl of water, and in this bowl we are going to try with these paper bits. So I am putting these paper bits one by one in it. So you all use tissues at home to wipe your face, to wipe yourself. So I have taken a tissue here. ये देखो, ये पानी में डिप हो गया है, but it is not dissolving. जब हम इसको निकाल रहे हैं, it can come out, है ना? ये सिंक हो गया है. सिंक मतलब ये नीचे तो चला गया है. यू डिड ना सिंक एंड फ्लोट, बट वो डिजॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है. सी, पेपर कैन नॉट डिजॉल्व इन वाटर इजीली. देखो नहीं हो रहा है ना ये डिजॉल्व. इट इज लाइक दैट. सो आई पुट दिस. नाउ द लास्ट वन आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इन दिस bowl is a spoonful of flour. So I am putting some flour here in water. See, now I'll stir it. देखिए स्टेयर किया मैम ने इसको, and what happened? Everything dissolved in it. सब dissolve हो गया. That means this flour can also dissolve in water. So what we have done today, we have tried putting few things in water and to test which all can dissolve. So what we found, that these four things, flour, mud, salt and color, can dissolve in water. But we have tried paper as well as we have tried these stones. They are not dissolving in water. Clear everyone? Now all of you, after that experiment, you have to open your environmental studies book 2, and you will open this book on page number 95. As I told you, on page number 95, so you will find the topic we dissolve. So the meaning of word dissolve is the one that get dissolved in water, जो उसमें mix हो जाता है, and we are not able to separate them. हम उन्हें अलग नहीं कर सकते. So the first thing we are going to do is write today's date, that is 20th October 2020. Clear? And this is your classwork. So write CW. Now circle the things which dissolve in water. So we have to circle those things which can dissolve in water. Salt, I told you, I have shown you. So yes, salt dissolve in water. So what we'll do? We are going to circle it like this. Next we have is sugar. So sugar I have not shown you, but tell me one thing, when you drink milk in the morning, so milk is also like liquid as water. जब मम्मा उसमें sugar mix करती हैं वो dissolve हो जाती है ना? Yeah, you are able to see that sugar particles. No. So that means sugar is also dissolving in water. Next we have is cement. So you all must have seen Mason building the homes nearby. कोई ना कहीं construction देखी होगी. So when they mix cement in water, एक liquid जैसा बन जाता है या वो powdered cement ही रहता है? Cement mix हो जाता है ना? Again cement get dissolved in water. Mix होने के बाद हम उसको दोबारा से separate तो नहीं कर सकते. As we were able to do stones. So stones नहीं dissolve हुए थे, हम बाद में उनको separate कर पा रहे थे. Next is mud. I have shown you. Were you able to separate mud after it get dissolved in water? No. So that means mud को जब पानी में डाला वो dissolve हो गया. Next is flour. When I showed you, so flour was dissolving or not? Yes, it was. So what we'll do, we'll just circle this flour also. Next we have soap. So now tell me, when you take bath in the morning, so you apply soap. तो वो soap जो आप apply करते हो उसको वापस से आप इस तरह से बार फॉर्म में बना सकते हैं? No, we cannot. And if you will put this soap bar in water for a long time, it will get dissolved in water. So we are going to circle it. Now next is paper. As I showed you with tissue paper, is paper dissolving in water? No, it is not. So we are not going to circle it. Next we have is paint. So I've shown you that black color. Yes, paint can dissolve in water. Okay. Now the next question is, in each set, circle the thing that weighs more. Weights more मतलब heavy. क्या heavy होगा? एक dry sponge, यानी कि वो sponge जो बिल्कुल dry है, और a wet sponge जिसमें पानी भरा हुआ है. तो किसका weight ज़्यादा होगा? Dry sponge का या wet sponge का? So you can take a piece of sponge at home and can try this. Similarly, you can also try with cotton also. Dry cotton or wet cotton. And the next is empty bucket or full bucket. You are able to pick an empty bucket. खाली bucket तो उठा सकते हैं. But if I will fill the bucket with water, will you be able to pick it? No. So we are going to circle this. And when you will weight these two things, you will find wet sponge will be more heavy. Will be having more weight. Okay. Now moving towards your today's homework class. So page number 94, as you can see just next to this, you will find this is page number 94 as your today's homework. So write down date 20th October 2020 and this is your homework for the day. So what you have to do, see the color of water and match. So you have to match similar looking watercolors, similar looking water which is having same color. Next is number the container from big to small. बड़े से छोटा, according to how much water they can store. So it is again a fun activity for you. Take a bucket, a glass, a bowl and a bottle. What you have to do, you have to fill water in all and see which is storing more water. मतलब सबसे कम जिसमें आएगा you will make that 1 और जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा होगा you will write that as 4. ठीक है, big to small करना है ना आपको. You have to number the container from big to small. That means सबसे ज़्यादा bucket में आएगा. So this is number 1. I'm so sorry, I told you reverse. This is number 1. अब इससे कम पानी जिसमें आएगा that will be number 2. अब for example, if bottle is number 2, you will write 2. Bottle से कम जिसमें आएगा you have to write 3. This is how you are going to number these 3 now. Is that clear to all? So class, I hope you have enjoyed doing this work. What you can do, take these things and you can take some other things and try to mix them in water. Take different bowls of water, keep one thing first in a bowl and then try to mix them. And after doing this, you'll enjoy this activity also and you'll understand also how things get dissolved in water. What all things can get dissolved in water, what all things cannot get dissolved in water. Not only the things which are given in your book, see the examples given in your book is very few. There are very few examples. So what you can do, you can try some other things like your toys. So don't use your soft toys, they'll get dirty and they'll messed up also, सब गीले गीले हो जाएंगे. So you can try with not even your electronic toys. So you can try with your ball whether it get dissolved or not, and some other things that are available at you with you in your surroundings with your small pieces of Lego toys. Just see whether they are able to dissolve in water or not. Clear? So it will be a fun activity. Try doing it. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy that. Okay? So now complete your today's work and share it with me. Bye. Take care.